Welcome to an incredible remodeled apartment for sale. Move-in ready. Located near the stadium in Cuenca, this spacious and modern apartment has everything you need. With a total area of 184.9 square meters, this apartment includes 3 bedrooms, perfect for families. The master bedroom has its own private bathroom and a spacious closet. The 2 additional bedrooms also have closets and share a full bathroom. There's also a guest bathroom for added convenience. The large kitchen has ample cabinets, ideal for those who love cooking. Next to it, there's a fully enclosed laundry area. The living room is spacious, perfect for relaxation, and the dining room is ideal for dinners and gatherings. For socializing, the apartment also features a bar area. Additionally, this apartment includes 2 parking spaces and 2 storage rooms, providing extra space for all your storage needs. The entire apartment has been remodeled with modern, elegant finishes. Natural light fills every corner, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. This property is perfect for anyone looking for a practical and stylish home in a prime area of Cuenca. You'll be amazed by the quality and thoughtful design in every detail. Located close to La Europea, shops, and Supermaxi, this apartment offers a unique blend of convenience and prime location. At just $198,000, it's an exceptional opportunity in the market. Make your dream a reality and enjoy living in this incredible space. Call now for an appointment at 0987235566 and experience all that this apartment has to offer.